Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how I have been using the Yubi makeup brush. This is a special set that comes with the Yubi holder, the brush, the sponge, a little carrying case, and special for Mother's Day for this specific set, you also get a Yubi hairband thing. So when you're taking off your makeup, keeps your hair out of your face. And this is a makeup remover. It is machine washable and it's like the softest thing you'll ever feel. And it's just like really feels good. It's a good way to get your makeup off without harming your skin. Very, very gentle. The Yubi brush, I love the finish that it gives your makeup. This is, yeah, one of my favorites for sure. I like to use this with both foundation, blush, and highlighter. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I'm going to start by, I've mixed some of my favorite foundation on the back of my hand, and I usually just tap it onto my face, just little bits at a time. You can always add more later. And then I'm gonna take the brush, and it's nice that it kind of just fits right on the back of your hand. And then I'm just gonna blend that in. It feels really soft. And when you're using the brush, you can just kind of swipe the product on. And I'm gonna show you how to use the sponge in a second. You can also just take the product directly onto the brush and then apply it from there. Okay, so that's the brush. And I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to change them out. You just squeeze the wings on the back slightly, and this pops right off. Boom. So this is your little handle, and I'm going to show you how to use the sponge. You can use the sponge wet if you'd like a little bit of a lighter coverage. So just get it wet and then squeeze the excess water out. I like a little bit more full coverage, so I'm just gonna use it dry. And instead of swiping like you do with the brush, this one you kind of just pat gently into your skin. So I'm gonna get a little bit of the product right on the sponge, and then I'm gonna pat it. And that gives like a little bit more coverage. But yeah, this just like really does a really good job of covering and applying, and you can get like right under your eyes and right in like the crevices of the crevice of your nose. So I love the finish that the Yubi brush gives your foundation, because it just leaves such a nice finish that is not cakey and it's not streaky at all. These bristles are densely packed, and so it just kind of like melts the makeup into your skin. It just leaves a really, really nice finish. You can also use them with blush. So I'm going to just apply this blush straight from the tube. This is one of my new favorite blushes. Oh my god, I can't talk today. And then you take the makeup brush and you just kind of like swipe it gently into your skin. And so just like the foundation, it leaves a nice pretty wash of color instead of like having everything. See, it just like leaves a nice finish instead of just way too much. It helps to blend everything together nicely. And I'm also going to show you how I use it with highlighter as well. These nude sticks are like my new favorite, but it is hard to apply, hard to blend if you don't have the right tools. So that's why this brush comes in handy, because it does such a good job of blending everything together nicely. So there's no streaks and there's no swipes. And so I've got like, you know, the foundation and then the blush and then the highlighter is all kind of blended so nicely together with this Yubi brush. Love that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And this is a great Mother's Day gift for yourself or your mom, or really anybody that wants to have makeup that is super easy to apply. Yeah, you just throw this on, boom, good to go. It blends everything really nicely, and it still kind of lets your own skin shine through. So This is the Yubi brush. Thanks for watching.